What up? What up? What's going on? Oh man, today's been an interesting day. Just oh, oh man. What's up, bros? What's going on? Oh, today has been a very interesting day. I have taken quite a few hits today. I am It hasn't been the best day. You blew all your PAs today? Jeez. I'm not there. I'm not there yet. I'm starting to make it back right now. I actually got one of my accounts over for another payout today, but I blew two PAs I think today. Yeah, it wasn't great. Definitely wasn't great. Um Oh, so yeah, I'm just getting everything set up right now. A couple of my PAs took a hit. This one took a hit. Actually, that one's up. That's good. That's about even. That one took a massive hit. Took a hit. Took a little bit of a hit. That's not bad. Yeah. I don't know. And then curious, how's the sound quality, Rose? Do you hear the sound quality? Is it good? I just jumped on and I'm always wondering how all the sound is and everything. All right, good. You're up 1K, but greed got. Oh no, 1K is legit. I probably was it just in one account you were up. Like when you were up just in one account, 1,000, and then you just kept going. If I get up 1,000 in an account, I'm probably done for the day. Just being honest. I'm deciding right now what I want to do. Let's see. If we hold, we hold. If we don't, in 250K account, I was up 1,000 for the day and boom. And then I switched over 50K accounts and went full. Oh, been there, Rose. Been there all too many times. Okay. I'm slowly stacking these. Slowly stacking. That was a nice hit, actually. 130 just now. I'm kind of hurt too. Couple like you just saw my PAs kind of took a hit today. So I'm kind of got to make the money back, you know? So I got one of my PAs over. I think I can request the money today. I think today's the last day you can do it, but I think I have to wait till they reset it at night and I can request it. So I'm going to request another $2,000 tonight. I'm just waiting for Apex to update their dashboard. I'm done with Apex evals though, so I don't know what I'm gonna. I have too many accounts. I'll be honest with you. It's just too many paid accounts. Apex denied your payout request in May, and since then I've been very angry trader. Why did they deny you? I find it interesting. That's why I'm very curious why people get denied. DC. Oh, you got caught in the DCA thing with everybody else. Everybody got caught in that. It was like massive. I guess everybody who DCA'd. Taking a shot right here. That's an eval. So I'm just kind of. We're down here at a pivot point, but I don't trust that we're going to hold, to be honest with you. I don't know if we're going to hold. I'm just kind of. Just kind of playing it only in a couple of accounts. And if we don't hold, we don't hold. But I'm not. This isn't me going deep in. I just want to. I'll be honest with you. I'm just looking to make some money here. Boom, boom, baby. There we go. Starting to make some of this money back in these funded accounts. Needed that. Needed it. That was nice. Am I going to go back to the well here? I will go back to the well with one contract. We'll see what this one contract brings me. Hopefully it brings me some luck here. We're definitely in one of those wedges. Hopefully we break out to the upside. Oh no, it's dropping out the bottom. Come on, pick it back up. Oh, I was just up $60. I would have taken $60. I would have definitely taken that. Oh, you're gonna hit me like this? Come on. I would have taken that money. And we just went back to back. Back. What did we just do? 3 that were green? Ugh. Do I have a My Funders Futures code? I actually do. Where is... Let me see. Yeah, that's the coupon code. Actually, you could just click this. I think you get it. I need to get a special code for myself, to be honest. That's my next thing. Oh man, today is just selling off hugely. Look at this. We're down over 1% today. We are just getting roasted here. I'm trying to think of I mean, obviously I had some good plays because I'm getting money back from I'm requesting money from Apex here, so I had some good plays, but we're just selling off all day. Yeah, I'm never like I'm never just like bullish. I'll play either way. This was the play of the day for me. It bounced off the pivot point and just ripped. Since then, I mean, I stayed out of a lot of trouble today. This might be my first net red day in like since last month sometime. I have some funded accounts that are up on Rhythmic Trader Pro. I have another one that's getting close to a payout, but I can't get paid today, so I'm not going to push it. This just has the look like we're just going to sell off here. I wouldn't short it here, but I could see it coming back up and then just rolling back over. If we even get up, it's looking weak. Weak. Yeah, it's not, if you're just bullish, like, and you only play out of trades or I pushed it and blew my PA. Oh yeah. What's going on, 100 lot? What's up? You needed 12. See, but no matter what, you're not going to get that payout today. Today's the last day you can request, so might as well just take it easy. Because you can't request until the 1st. So I would just continue just to trade, slowly up is probably what my plan would be if I'm not close. I was about $750 away, and I set out a goal today to do it. Oh, 9 days. Oh, you had a 250K account? Nine. Oh no, you were up to maybe you're saying up to 53,000. Oh, Rose, you gotta really look at how you're playing if you can't play on a down day. I'm not saying you got to make money on a down day. You just got to know how to stay out of trouble and how to basically just stay out of trouble. If you don't want to short, you just say, "Hey, I'm not gonna trade unless it gets above, whatever. It has to be above the 200, and if not, you just kind of sit out for the day." Um, but yeah, I would. I definitely am not. I only pushed that one account because it was close to a payout, and I can request it today and get a payout. But I have a couple that are right outside of payouts, but I would have needed like $900 to pass, and $900 is just too far to break. It would break the consistency rule, so I didn't do it. What's going on, people on the stream? Though I'm an inspiration, man. I hope if I could do it, you could definitely do it. That I could tell you. Um, my biggest my biggest thing I found out was just kind of waiting to not jump on any trades and be cautious and kind of pick my spots. And since then, things are a lot better. I don't know if you followed anything I've done, but I'm going to request my third payout this month today after the market close. Yeah, you can't be bullish, but you could play bounces, and you could definitely play um long only, but you got to wait for the right setups. My issue is I don't hold that much. Like, you could see right here, I got in at the very bottom, and I could have gotten 30 points out of that. Like something like this, like I honestly am going to take this is my first short stab of the day here. Yeah, I mean, payout. Oh, what's up, Justice? What's up? Payout number 2 is not approved yet, but I'm about to submit payout number 3 after the market close. So I'll have 3 payouts. Yeah. You can always say, listen, I know some people only play long, but you just kind of gotta wait to get your setup to do it. You can't just be sitting here. You can't just sit here and say, oh, I'm just gonna play long everything, and like you got to say, hey, today we're going down, so I'm not gonna play a breakout. Watch, this will be the bottom. I'm gonna get stopped out of the bottom. But if I can get a couple bucks here, I'd be happy with myself. I'm just trying to scalp. I'm trying to make back my losses a little bit. Just lick my wounds and start back over tomorrow. I don't want to get full tilt or anything like that where you start blowing all your accounts. A loss is just a loss. You just got to say, hey, it is what it is. Pick yourself up and just kind of move on. This is all mental. A lot of it is just a mental game. There's it's all in your head. If you can just get past losses and trying to make up losses and stuff like that, you'll probably have a much better win streak, or however you want to call it. But you'll have more green days. Because I've started off some days bad, and I just try to take a deep breath, and I say, hey, you know what? Let me relax for a second and regroup, wait for my next setup. The next setup came, I hit it hard, and I sometimes made all my losses. So you could definitely do it. It's just oh man, that was a nice little double bottom we had here. See, now we're starting to break out of this down. See, it's like just curious if this, whatever reason, my other script pivots didn't update, so I'm using my backup one. But yeah, you can see the fractal, the it does the trend for me. We definitely broke above it. I'm just curious if we take this north. It's just the market so weak today that I don't know. I don't know if we're going to really get there. Super weak market, just like controlled sell off. You're not getting a massive dump or anything like that. You're just getting just a controlled sell. So I will start streaming in the AM if people are around. My biggest problem is a lot of people aren't around in the morning, so I kind of went towards the afternoon when less people are. I guess everybody gravitates to the larger streams. So when turnout is lower, I just kind of say, oh, I'll just stream later on. But I'm definitely active in the morning. If there's enough people that want to do it in the morning, I'll definitely. Hey, if you blow your PAs in the afternoon, then you shouldn't be trading them in the afternoon. Just being honest. I don't trade in the morning till like 9:45 until everything's set. That's usually when I jump on. I watch, I let everything set themselves, and then I kind of, hey man, I learned a lot of lessons. How's that sound? Just learned a lot of lessons. A lot of expensive lessons. It's exactly what they were. A lot of expensive lessons. And if you watch my recent videos, I'm not negative to Apex. I'm just going to try some other firms for better payout policies, if that makes sense. A little flagging right here. I wonder if we're going to take this. This is just an eval trade. This isn't like a funded account trade. And I say that because I want you guys to realize if I'm not taking it in my funded account, probably because it's not a good trade, or it's not a high percentage trade that I want to put my funded account into it. Yeah, I mean, listen, I just trade my same way every single day. I have I would say I have a thing that I do. And that's it. I just kind of follow the same thing every day. I'm not I don't know why this is over here. I don't let Apex dictate how I'm going to be trading. I do my own thing. I follow their rules, and that's it. I just kind of stick to, what I'm doing, what I'm good at, and that's it. I can't let Apex dictate how I'm going to make money and everything else. Obviously, I know their rules. I trade within the rules. And after that, I just have to say, hey, I'm done with you guys. I'm not going to sit here and think about it all day, because if I do, I'm just not going to ever make any money. Not dissing Apex, but I did have a 2K payout denied for DCA up 5K in the 50 and then mentally screwed since. Yeah, I mean, that's a pretty good, once you're up there, up 5K is a lot, man. I would have just traded that nice and slow and just kept requesting payouts. Because your buffer at that point is like $5,000. That's it's a pretty good payout. The whole DCA thing came about because people were definitely just buying all in. Basically, they would be down, and then when they were down, they just kept adding and adding and adding, and basically they didn't care what happened at the end, and it was either we're going to make all this money back or we're just going to be down the money, and that's not how you trade, but that's how people were doing it. And I'm sure Apex was on they were on for the money to pay these people out, and they're like, you know what, we got to stop this. So they stopped it. And that, a couple people ruined it for everybody else is what happened. Yeah, but they going for, yeah, you can't go for 2,500 day one. You just got to say, hey, like, I'm looking to make $200-300 a day, $200-300 a day, and that's it. It was 3 7-figure payouts. Yo, what up, MK? What up? Yeah, I mean, a lot of people are hating on Apex. That's why starting Monday, I'm going to do more Top Step and Take Profit Trader for everybody. People seem to like them more. Yo, MK, I'm requesting another payout today. Last day you can request, and I got another funded account over, so I'm gonna request another $2,000. But yeah, people are not liking the Apex, so I'm gonna get myself a Take Profit Trader account. And they have the coupon code now. I have Cove Trader coupon code. They give 40% off, no activation fee. So I was like, might as well get an account, start playing around with it, and see what I could do. Just keep try them. I know you can get paid day one and whatnot. No, I don't DCA at all. So I kind of like zone trade, I guess. So for argument's sake, say I want to buy down here, like I would do like a limit buy here, and then I'd do one limit buy here, because you're allowed to DCA, quote unquote DCA once. So I would get filled, and then I have like a 10-point stop. So stop sell for 2. And that's how I kind of leg into my positions. It's more of a leg in than DCA. DCA is like, say I buy here, and then I'm down on my position, and then I just go add another one. That's DCAing. I'm not DCAing. I'm leaking into a position because I want to have 2 contracts. I'm not wanting one and then I keep, adding or whatever. I'm very much wanting both of those to get filled. It's just if it goes lower, I get filled at a lower, which is technically DCA, but they allow you to do one. So I kind of do that. I used to do more zones, but instead of one contract, I used to use 5 minis, and I'd line up like 4 orders of minis and kind of get filled. So that's kind of what I was doing. I need at least one. Yeah, so they let you DCA once. So that's why you can put your orders how you saw me just put it on the screen. That's what works for me. And yeah, I'm gonna keep doing it. They allow it. It's not against the rules. So it is what it is. Are we getting this push out? We getting a push up? Nice breakout candle here would be nice. Push it up. My Rhythmic Trader Pro is definitely lagging today. Welcome aboard, NY Trader. Welcome aboard. Yep. Monday I'm going to start doing those other firms. I'll still have Apex because I have to trade Apex because after today I'll have 15 funded accounts, I think. So I'm going to have to keep trading them as long as I have funded accounts with them. Not just going to go away. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, if your first entry always sucks, I mean, I would no. So here, I'll show you. So they're all 50s, and this one is a 150. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I have Rhythmic Trader Pro right here on my laptop. I have a laptop next to me. And I have, what do I have here? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 7 PAs there. So I have 17 PAs. I blew this one today. So that will bring me down to 16 PAs. And I don't think I blew any other ones today. This one's up. Some of them are up a little, down a little. That's no big deal to me. This one needs life support. Well, not completely. I still got a big buffer. I definitely took a hit today in a lot of my PAs. Things didn't go well where normally I get the bounce. So it is what it is. But the biggest thing to do is, this is, like I said, this is one of my first red days in a while. It's just minimize the damage and say, hey, listen, I'm going to minimize how much I lost, still play my plan, and, just keep it rolling as is. I can't just say I'm going to change all these things after I just ripped a full month of greens. I requested 3 payouts this month. So, I mean, I'm not just going to change the way I do things because one day goes not great. Basically, I just minimize it to 1 or 2 accounts lost. And that's fine because I have 15 other accounts. And I'll be honest with you, trading all those accounts kind of takes my eyes off the prize. So, I can go back to just focusing on, what matters and just focusing on, like, I had all these, I even still had some evals. Like, I think I smoked the evals today. Eval's gone. Oh no, this eval's close. Oh, I still have two evals, so maybe I can even turn them into paid accounts. Who knows? You know. Are you only with Apex? Have you tried any of the other firms yet? 100 lot. I mean, if you have trouble, what's not terrible, to be honest with you, is Top Step has the daily loss limit of 1,000. So, like, if you find yourself just getting smoked, maybe you go and use Top Step, because when you lose $1,000 in a day, your account just stops for the day, and you can still trade tomorrow. But it stops you from blowing the account. Their accounts are a little bit more money, but you can also get paid by just 5 days of $200 being up, which is definitely nice. Let's see. What do we think? We think we're going to reject here? Would be a solid spot for a rejection, to be completely honest. Eval. I'll take eval money. Let's see. See, this is Top Step. You could just drag the thing down and kind of mark where you want it. I'm just interested if we reject here at the highs previously. And if we do reject, you probably get a nice little drop. It's a lower percentage trade, so that's why you see me use just an eval. I kind of like it. Do I think it will work out? Yes, but like not where I'm willing to risk funded account money. And that's why I always like having like one eval hanging around, so I could play stuff like this where, the eval keeps me from doing stupid stuff with my funded accounts. I could have a little fun, but I'm not really risking anything. That's how I feel about my evals. Doing eval trade. See, and then I'm out. I lost. I can just say, hey, didn't cost me any funded money. Was it worth it? I think if you got a rejection there, you could have gotten a lot of points. That was the break. Wow. I'm tired. I'm going to need I'm definitely going to need what do you call it? Coffee or an energy drink. That I will say. Just want to say what's going on to the new people on the stream. Feel free to say what's up in the chat. Feel free. It's open floor. Ask any questions. Man, that was a nice bounce. That was a real nice bounce. That's like 100-point bounce. This might tag 108 here, actually. See, with these big drops, though, like we've been nowhere near the 200 or VWAP all day. You know, the last time we were around the 200 or VWAP, we came close at 11 o'clock once, and then we just kind of just dumped. By the way, anyone listening, we are going to do a free account giveaway on Tuesday. Feel free to join us on the stream in the afternoon. We will do an account giveaway. Yeah, this thing has the look on it. Oh, jeez. This market was looking so weak. They just turned that bad boy around. I guess they didn't want it under 20,000. Let's hear the pullback. Is this it? Man, the 9s over the 34. I mean, this is looking much better than it was earlier today. What I'm afraid, though, is it's something like this where, you know, you kind of go and then we roll over and roll and roll and roll. Man, that was the spot to go long right here. And why I say that is we made a lower low. We broke back up over the 34. We consolidated over the 34. And then we broke to the upside. That was a money setup. Super money. It's climbing. This thing's looking pretty good. This is much better than before. Jeez. A lot of people are thinking about shorting this. I wouldn't. I mean, I would let it go. I mean, it can easily go up another 30 points before you. What's interesting is the 200 and this high might come at the same point, which is also right below 20,000. Watch this. The 200 is going to work itself down. Might be able to get a nice little short here. And if I'm wrong, I know I'm wrong fast. And that's kind of what I like, is I'll know that I'm wrong quick enough. If we get up there, we might not even get up there. But I put my orders in. Anything on, well, no, it's already 2 o'clock. Nothing on the economic calendar. Yeah, I mean, we're looking pretty solid here. I'd like to see a little consolidation here. A lot of people think, oh, this is looking weak. They're going to consolidate this here and push it again. That's what I think, at least. Oh, what up, Chris? Yo, what's so weird is my chat isn't updating. I'm pulling up the chat. Yo, so I apologize. Yo, what up, Billy? What up, Chris? Guys, I apologize. The streaming software I'm using is not updating the stream. So I did not see anything anybody type lately. So I got to read this. Going to have a bad day at least once a week. Just sticking with the big account deals. Sticking with Apex with the big accounts deals going on. That would have helped once the 85. Yo, $85 for lifetime is a good deal. Just want to let you know. I'm a big fan of the White Monster Ultras. I have a case of Celsius, so once I run out of Celsius, I might try a Monster. What's up, Chris? I'm up to that on the chat. Being X week, I should have known better. Yeah. What's up, Billy? How you guys doing today? You guys crushing it today? What are you guys up to? Now I got to leave the chat up here so I can see this. This guy's killing me. You guys crushing it today? I just want to make sure that my thing that you can hear me, right? I just want to make sure. I'm going to get a Celsius. Hold on. I just want to make sure you can hear me. I'm back. They're all warm. Nice. All right. My bad, guys. Jeez. I wish you could have like pinged me. I don't know how that would happen though. But give me a little ping. Say, hey. I think after trading time, I'm going to restart my computer. Yeah, because the thing just kind of froze. But yeah, welcome all the new people on the chat. What's up? What's up? Be sure to say something in the chat so we know who you are. You know, dude, that's cool. People are hitting the emoji things. That's the first time I saw the emoji things work. Oh, thanks. I got another payout today. I'm going to request, which is crazy. Break even day for me today. I'm experimenting with the 5,000 chart on MNQ, so I'm going to be going with 2. Yeah, man. Anytime you try something new, I have multiple screens, so I'll put it up on one screen, and then I got half my money, so I requested $4,000. They paid me. Well, they have 2,000 coming my way, 2,000 in pending, and I got another funded account over today. I'm going to request another $2,000. Yeah, so I'm see if we can scalp right here. Yeah, the extra $2,000, $6,000 is a good is definitely a good hit. Hopefully they approve the other one. They're just freaking ridiculous over there. Ridiculous. I'm not over them completely yet. I'm letting it marinate for a little bit, and we'll see what happens. But it goes to show me that I should be trading in multiple prop firms to spread out my my risk. You know, I put all my eggs in Apex's basket, and now it's time to kind of spread it out. Especially that Take Profit Traders doing 40% off, no activation fee. I'm going to be there a little bit. Bullnox has a deal going on. Who else has a deal going on? I wish Top Step had a deal going on. But it all is what it is. And I just keep marching forward. That's all you could do, right? Just keep pushing forward, and that's it, right? So that's where I'm at today, is just I wanted to give it to Apex one time by requesting another payout today. And that's kind of was my goal. I woke up this morning and said, how much money do I need in this one account that was close? It was like $700 I needed. And I just went to town and just started trading the crap out of it today. And I got the money I needed. And once they reset it inside Apex, I don't think they reset it right away. Let me see. Request payout. Let's see what happens. No, it's not in the request payout area yet, which means I'm not there to they don't see it as over yet. How close are you guys for money? You guys getting close? What are you guys working on? Just want to welcome anyone new on the stream. Just saying what's up to everybody. Slammed some contracts today. Did some stuff. Got a little crazy early on. What's cool is now that I have this, you could see all the money as it's going in real time, which is wild. A trading buddy of mine got his 40K Apex denied. He's trying again after the 10-day wait period and still pending at the moment. Why was his 40K payment denied? What's going on, Scratch to Win? Welcome to the stream. Did Apex approve my payout? So I have 2 payouts pending with them. They approved one, and the other they asked for more information is still pending. And then tonight I'm going to request a 3rd payout. So I'm requesting $6,000 during this window. We've had really good days on the stream the last couple weeks, and just reaping the benefits now, the rewards. We're getting paid. Yeah. I'm not anti-Apex by any means. I'm not going to sit here and say I'm anti, but, you know, I'm just going to say that they just decided to really enforce their rules lately. And I don't know who caused that or what caused that. And I just kind of want to spread my risk out a little bit. So that's why I'm going to start on Top Step more and Take Profit Trader come Monday. It's just a move for me personally. I might grab a couple of Bullnox ones as well, and that's it. Just kind of spread the risk out, right? That's pretty much where I'm at. Just spread it out. You know, you don't want to have all your eggs in one basket unless you only have like 1 or 2 accounts. It's not that bad, but like I have 17 funded accounts. So it's kind of a lot all in one spot. And it is what it is. And I'm starting to get close to more payouts. Even then, you know, I have 2 more accounts that are close to payouts outside of the ones I've requested. So, you know, I'm going to stay with Apex. I'm not going anywhere. I just, you know, I just want to diversify. Also, I like the payout structure on Top Step. Top Step is $200 for 5 days. And then the payout structure on Take Profit Trader, you get paid the same day. They don't even care what you do. DCA, but he requested before they started enforcing their rule. So that's the annoying part. The fact that it wasn't heads up or warning or anything. So I know what kind of caused, well, there's a YouTube streamer that was doing breakout trading early in the day and they were winning a lot of money. And Apex kind of went after them with the morning breakout trades. And then the DCA, I think a lot of people were just going all in. You know, they would go down and they would just add and add and add. And then eventually they would get lucky sometimes. It would come back and then Apex would be like, I'm not paying you. Yo, Billy, you trade the Asian market? Is that, I read that right, Billy? You trade the Asian market? Yo, Corey, what up? Yo, looking at the comments, man, congrats on the payout. Yes, sir. Yo, I'm requesting a 3rd payout. I passed a funded, I got a funded account over. I'm gonna take this actually. Let's see. This is actually looking pretty sweet. Yo, so I requested I'm going to request a 3rd payout tonight. I just got it over. I made about $700 today on about 700 in this one account, and I got over the 52,600 in it, and I'm requesting the money. So that'd be my 3rd one in this payout window, and I'm super pumped about it. I didn't eat last night. I normally trade London though. London seems popular. What's the Asian one? Like 8:30, 9 o'clock our time, right? To like, I guess 1, 2 in the morning. Is it one? Is that the time Asians? Right? China's 12 hours behind. So it'd be like 8:30 or 9, I guess, to 4 in the morning. I don't know what just happened there. My screen just blinked. I need to restart my computer after the market. Honestly, I think I might get denied again. I think I don't really have a strat. He just balls to the wall YOLO until something sticks and finally work this time. That's crazy. I mean, listen, I thought this was going to break out. I might just take my $200 here. Yeah, so that's not real trading, and then I could definitely see why they would get annoyed at stuff like that. To be honest, I can see them. Oh, this is going to go without me. Man, that hard work finally paying off. Motivation for me to be patient and trust the process. Yo, I'm telling you, Corey, I don't know if you've been watching the stream like super long or watched some of my old videos, but it's been a long road, man. It's been a very long road. And, yo, it's finally paying off, man. Yeah, you get a little pop. Lundy's around 2 to 3 a.m. I like it because the house is quiet. Yeah, yeah. Um, I will say that it's finally paying off. You just kind of got to stick with it. The biggest thing is finding a strategy that works for you is the very biggest thing that you need to find. Um, there's a bunch of things that I've done that I've tried that didn't work, and I just feel like I finally have the strategy that plays well with how I trade and how everything works, and I feel like it's obviously paying off. You could see obviously I requested 3 payouts this period, so you know it's obviously doing well. Um, but you got to find what works for you. What works for me doesn't always work for you, and what works for you might not work for the next guy. How many YouTube streamers are there, and we all have different strategies. So I would just say that, you should, man, I think my internet's kind of messed up. Billy, you hear me? You guys hear me? I'm going to just, I just want to make sure you still hear me. I'm getting some weird stuff on my end. I don't know why. Yeah, okay. I just want to make sure because I'm getting some weird, my screen flashed. Um, oh, come on, bounce for me. Yeah. All right. I just want to make sure you guys are still yeah, it probably buffered. I'm gonna shut down a bunch of my tabs actually to be honest with you. I'm gonna just shut down a bunch of the tabs to kind of I think it might be this. Um I think I might have solved the issue, to be honest with you. Just throwing it out there. Yeah, I think one of our members set up a Discord. That's the link, but I think when I had it open, it was slowing up my computer because I'm streaming and doing all this stuff. Ooh, this is a nice hit right here. Make back some of that L. Get this buffer back. Yeah, so I'm just shutting off some of this stuff to yeah, that should be better. I don't have a lot of it up anymore, but yeah, I think it was the Discord that was when you're streaming, you're eating up a lot of resources on your computer. Plus, on top of that, I have I got TradeOvate up, I got my E-Trade account up, I got all types of stuff up for trading. I got these are all streaming. Look at this consolidation, guys. This is a really nice freaking piece of consolidation. That's what I look for. I didn't start it. One of the members on here started it, made me an admin, brand new. It started yesterday. Depending if you guys like Discord or not, I'll probably obviously put stuff in there. I didn't know if Discord's a thing. Like, I don't know how many people use it. It's brand new to me. So it was one of those things that like people were looking to hang out. outside of streaming hours. And, you know, I would definitely type in there and put stuff in there that I like, because obviously I can't stream all day long. It would just be a spot for me to throw some stuff in there. And if you guys like that, if you don't like it, that's fine. I don't know. It was just something that somebody brought up yesterday. A couple people liked the idea, so I figured I'd post it in here. Depending on how it takes, we'll see what we're going to do with it. Man, that 34 retest in this consolidation was money. I need to see which account needs the most love in. See, like this one's close. I'm only $600 away from a payout in this account. I got 2 of them like that, actually. There were 2 or 3 of them. This one's not bad either. This one needs a little love. All right, this one got hammered. I'm going to trade this one. Let's see what we can do. Let's see if we can make back these losses. What's better? What's better than making back losses and just going in on it? I wonder if they should give that like a sound. I don't know if there's a sound on that when I click the emojis or whatever, the hearts or the 100s. Welcome anybody that's new. Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the stream. Feel free to say what's up. Today's been pretty active. Yeah, the hearts. I saw the hearts for the first time. Whoever just hit the hearts, I seen that for the first time today, that you can, when you hit it, I actually see it come up on the chat. It's pretty cool. But yeah, feel free to say what's up in the chat, introduce yourself, ask any questions. Just kind of in wait mode right now. I don't chase. If you're new and you are looking to possibly get into this, Take Profit Traders running a deal right now. You can use the coupon code Cove Trader, get 40% off, no activation fee. And then obviously Apex started running an 80% off thing, but there's activation fees, and they're doing the $85 forever. The code's on the screen that's scrolling. I kind of like that they do $85 one time on the 150s. It kind of makes me want to get 1 or 2 150s, because you do one time and kind of like milk it and just kind of like work it up real slow to get payouts where you don't have to like try to push it or anything like that. I kind of like the 150s in that aspect. I do not like the 250s or 300s. They're way too hard to pass, especially if you're new. If you're new, I'll be honest, if you're new, you should have no business trading a 250. It's so hard to pass for myself. Like my percentage rate of pass on the 50s are like 1 in 2. My rate in like a 250 is like 1 in 5, 1 in 7. And that's me. Like, I don't know what you guys might be better than I am, but that's my rate. And that's why I stick with the 50s. Oh, I just got an alert. Mexico's new president added someone who's viewed as very business friendly to her cabinet. Interesting. That whole Mexican stuff going on is crazy. I trade options during the day. I don't know how many people of you guys swing options or anything like that. Options is pretty it's pretty good. Ooh. We're gonna try for a bounce again. Let's go. Let's get some money back in this freaking funded account. There we go. I'm going to go again. Come on. Bounce for me. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Come on. That red line is the 21 on the 5, if you're wondering. I like this overall consolidation. I just can see us dipping a little bit more, which would not be good for my position. And there we are. We're out. Wow, man. That's how this freaking day is going. Honestly, we just broke the uptrend. I don't know if you guys follow that, but here's the uptrend right here. We just broke that. I wonder how far we go down. I wonder how far they bring this down. This is super tight. I'm looking for a flush. I'm looking for like a flush, or I'm going to get stopped out. Flush it. There we go. 90 bucks. There we go. There we go. Anyone play that just now? The trend break. I basically just got some of my money back. Basically, probably ended even. Probably just ended even on that. Nothing to write home about, but it is what it is. So is my Tradeovate working okay? Mine is very slow and laggy. I can't move the chart as before. Well, first of all, welcome to the stream money video. What do you mean? Like when you click on it like this, are you having trouble moving it like that? You might be locked. There's a Tradeovate lock button that you can lock the chart. I know. M, what up? I know. Believe me, you know how many times I sit here and say I should go full port in something? I'm like, I see this. I should just go full port. Well, Patrick goes all in. I don't really know what Matt does, but Alpine does that stupid thing in the bracket trading in the beginning of the day that caused the issue. See, so M&M, I was hoping that we would hold this trend. So that the trend line would have been the 34 and right here. But then when we broke it, yeah. You know what the problem is? My day has been pretty crappy. I've had a crappy day so far. So I'm just trying to, mitigate going full tilt. Because if I would have went heavy, it would have bounced. I would have lost. And then you just see a downward spiral of myself on live stream, just trading away at anything. I'm going to get a Celsius. Be right back. 2 seconds, guys. Celsius time. Energy drink. I'm back. I am back. Yeah, well, I hope I kind of know a little bit. Yo, I'm no I don't get paid by them, but this Celsius peach vibe, woo! Might as well be crack. I mean, it's so good. I don't know what they put in it. Oh yeah. So I have made 2,400 on a PA account first day. Have I broken the consistency rule? What size account are you trading? I think we should start there. What size account do you have? 250K Apex account. You have not. You have not. I'll do the math for you real quick. Hold on. I think you need $6,600. 6,600 divided by. What's up, Burrows? What's going on? I think you're over on the consistency. Yeah. So all you didn't you broke the rule, but the only thing you're gonna have to do is just earn more money in the account. It's not like a thing where like they're gonna fry your account. They're just gonna tell you that you got to earn more money. You know, you're gonna have to earn like $7,500 probably in your account. Hey man, you're gonna have to earn the money anyway. So I got to give somebody a key. Hold on one second. What's 4,500, Barros? Oh man, I'm always like so busy around now. What's 4,500, Barros? Is that what you made today? By the way, I thought it was 30% of 15,000. So 15,000 is the amount you need to make on a 15,000 is the amount that you need to make on a eval account. They are talking about the consistency rule once you have a funded account, which is 6,600 you need to make to pull money out in a 250 account. So once you hit 6,600, you can request a $3,000 payout, and yeah, so it's 30% of that. Are you with Apex Borrows only, or what are you trading right now? Apex only. So I find Apex is really good for newer traders because you can get in at a good price point. You could you can get a 250 account. You could milk it by just kind of trading one contract, kind of learn a system that works for you. And you don't have to download software to set up. You can just use Tradeovate. They were running the sale at the time. It was like $20 for an account. So for $20, you could get, an account and trade it and really learn what you're doing. So I think Apex is really good in that aspect. Now, once you start pulling out money and you're worried about payouts and things like that, I would almost say, you want to get kind of to, Top Step or Take Profit Trader, where you can kind of take money out anytime. Like Take Profit Trader, you could take money out every single day. So as long as you're over the buffer, you could just keep taking money out every single day. And that's what makes it amazing. That's what makes Take Profit Trader amazing. They're running the 40% off sale right now, which is nice. No activation fee. But I'll be honest with you, if you use it, get 40% off. There you go. But I'm just telling you, man, if you're brand new, I would stick with Apex in the beginning. I don't want to tell you to do something, to use money for something that you don't really need to. I would work with Apex accounts, because Take Profit Trader accounts are more money by a lot. So I'd rather see you build your system and become profitable with Apex, because it's less expensive. And then once you're earning on a consistent basis, I would say then you should look at Take Profit Trader. I'm just trying to save you money, man. I don't want to see you blow, $85 or $100 accounts, because you're never getting to the point that makes Take Profit Trader good. And the thing that makes them good is pulling payouts every day. But if you're not getting accounts funded and you're not getting there, I don't want to see you just smoke it. Yeah, man. That's all. I'm just trying to help everybody out. Like I could easily tell everybody, go over there and, use my code and whatever and get paid. But I'm not like that. I'm here to get you to become profitable and make money out of this thing. Sorry today if I'm looking over here too much. It's because my streaming software messed up and I have the chat over here, and over here is my trading software. But yeah, I'm just trying to help you guys out. That's really what this is about. It's about to be a place that not only I can trade and make profits, but kind of show you what works for me, talk about it, and and each prop firm has their own kind of strategy as well. Not that this strategy is going to make you money, but ways to go about using the prop firms. But yeah, if you're new, do Apex, and then once you get your first payout, not even your first payout, if you're passing 50K accounts or any account, and you're passing at a decent rate, I would say I'd probably look into Top Step or Take Profit Trader, because Top Step, you only need 5 days of $200 in your funded account to get paid. So technically, you only have to make $1,000 to get a payout. Versus the other ones that you need to make $2,600. So, Top Step is cool. The problem is passing the stupid evals is. I'm playing around with it now. The daily loss limit is not good for me. I think we're going to go down here. Hold on. Let me see something. I'm so over this freaking Top Step daily loss limit. Come on. just drop it like it's hot. I could see a lot of times, a lot of lines on your chart. What's your strategy, if you wouldn't mind asking me? So the reason you see a lot of lines is because I was forced to use this script today, which I don't normally use. I usually use this one. So if you back it up, the lines are usually spread out. But what happened today is the script is not working for some reason. So it's kind of messing me up. So when I enable this script, you see all these lines. I know to disregard these lines mean nothing to me. Woo! Get it. Boom. Got that all back. I should have went freaking Eminem. I should have went in full port, man. Again, I saw it. I just want to get this passed. You have no idea how annoying this top step thing is. All right. So, and then, yeah, that $1,000 daily thing with the knock me out and I can't deal with it. Yeah, it's definitely rough. And that's why I say you should get payouts with Apex and then you kind of move to some of these other ones. All right. So my strategy. So let's disregard these dash lines because they don't mean anything to me. I play a lot of pivot points, which are these pivot points. Each one of these solid lines is a pivot point, and around the pivot point, that to me is support and resistance. And I don't just take it blindly. I kind of see what's going on with the market at the general time, and I will play the rejections like this, and I'll play bounces. But if the market is just kind of selling off, like I'm not just going to say, oh, it's going to bounce here automatically because it hits the pivot point. If the market is weak, I'll probably just stay out of it. But you could see a lot of the times it comes down, hits the pivot point and bounces, just as you see today. Look, here it happened. Here it happened. I mean, it's like right on it. Right on it. Right on it. So, you know, they're kind of points of interest that I play for support and resistance. And then I play a lot of VWAP 200, which is my EMAs. This is wrong. I have the 9, the 34, the 200, and the 377. I play the 34 bounce or rejection a lot for a scalp. This is the 34. You could see you could have just scalped it there. You could scalp it there. And we haven't gone up to VWAP, but right here and here. And I played the VWAP rejections. But I only play first touch. First touch means the first time, like, so if it comes all the way up, it touches it, I go short, I make the money. If it comes right back up and touches it again, I'm not taking that trade. I stay out of it. Only the first touch. Eminem, I am looking for that platform. It's either going to be Quant Tower or Sierra Charts. And then the only other thing I play is this is the Qs, the 15-minute orb. I'll play bounces and rejections on the orb. I didn't play any today. It just really wasn't looking good to me. So I didn't play it at all. But other days you could see it's just it's another area of support and resistance, and I kind of see how the market is going around that time, and you know, and I make my decisions then. But I am nothing is ever I do this and I always do this or whatever. The strongest thing to me is the pivot points, but I don't play them every single time. I just kind of I see what happens around them, but I'll play them a lot. I'll play them a real lot. like I honestly think we're going to be trending down until we break over this 9. We might just trend down. So I'm just going to take one in the this is an eval, so you don't have to worry. It's not my funded account. I might get stopped out, but it kind of looks flaggy to me. And if we can't get over this 9 here, it's going to roll over and dump again. And if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. It's just an eval. When I trade, my funded accounts are the real higher probability trades, that I like to get into. Oh, is it going to wick and then go under and then roll over? That would be dirty, dirty. So if you have accounts with Tradeovate, they're in Tradeovate. It's the Rhythmic accounts that you could do everything with. And I have a lot of Rhythmic accounts. What's also good about Rhythmic accounts is you could trade with Rhythmic. They're cheaper accounts. Apex charges you less money for them. And even when you pass and get to funded, it's only $85 instead of $105. So you save money there also. You save money twice. Which is good. Yeah. So Rhythmic has so much more issues. I wonder if I would have the same issues if I was using Quant Tower or Sierra Charts versus using Rhythmic Trader Pro. So I have Rhythmic Trader Pro. This thing's duty. Duty's being nice. For whatever reason, though, I do better trading with Rhythmic Trader Pro than I do on Tradeovate, and don't ask me why. My accounts are the 2 of the 3 accounts I passed on Apex are on Rhythmic. I pass more of everything on Rhythmic. I don't know. Rhythmic. I do better with Rhythmic. Don't ask why. I have no idea. I just do so much better there. That's where it's at for me. But I think I'm going to move to Sierra Charts. But recently they've had a lot of issues. But I don't know if that's Apex having the issues or it's Rhythmic having the Rhythmic Trader Pro having the issues, or because I have an account with Bullnox and I wasn't having any issues. Oh, this thing's gonna roll over. Just keep pushing it, baby. Push it. Oh, man. Do you copy trade and Tradeovate? I'm going to start. First of welcome to the stream, Pros H. Thanks for coming by and saying what's up. I'm going to start doing it. My goal was to get payouts with Apex first and then start copy trading because I didn't want to lose all my accounts if I did something stupid or something happened, news came out or something. So I wanted to individually trade the accounts, build them up, and then once I build them up, get payouts, and then once I was paid, I would I would then start copy trading them. So now that I've requested 3 payouts for this period, I'm going to start copy trading them. Oh, man. I finished it, but last shout out. That's a good flavor right there. Celsius. Peach vibe. Any deals going on? Oh, man. Bullnox has 90% off. They only have Rhythmic accounts. By the way, M&M, if you're looking for Rhythmic accounts, Bullnox is cheaper than Apex right now. Hold on. For 90% off, check this out. Here you go. $90 off Bullnox. If you're going to get Rhythmic only, they don't have Trade of 8. So if you have a Mac, you can't use Rhythmic accounts because a lot of the software doesn't work unless you have software that does work. I don't know. My friend has a Mac and has issues, but Bullnox has 90% off. You can use that code for 90% off. And this answers your deals going on also. Bullnox has 90% off. Apex. First of all, Bullnox is 90% off. It's actually $17 or $16 for 50K Rhythmic account, M&M. So you could save a lot of money, and I know people have gotten paid out with Bullnox. So that will save you 90%. These guys have 40% off. No activation fee. I'm just telling you, if you do if you're new, don't use Take Profit Trader. Practice on Apex, man. I'm just trying to save you guys money. Bullnox is pretty cool, man. So the consistency rule is 40%, not 30%. So you could make a little bit more on your PAs, and they don't, which is nice. You know, you can let your runners run a little bit more. Who else? Top Step is not running a deal. They say on their website they're running a deal, but it's $49. Yo, what up, Captain? Captain Price. I didn't see you yesterday. What's up? Who else is running a deal right now? Apex just did so Apex is running 80% off for 150s, 250s, and 300s. And if you pass, it's $85 one-time fee, which is a pretty good deal. I recommend if you're going to do any of those accounts, you stick with the 150s because they're easier to pass than the rest of them. So, and I also like one-time activation fee that's only $85. That's the one thing I like about Take Profit Trader is it's only it's free activation fee. Yeah, hey, yo, man, I'm telling you, if you don't rush it. You don't need to rush it. It's one time fee. No reason to start pushing it, you know? No reason to start pushing it. Just trade it nice and slowly, build it up, get a nice little cushion on there, and that's what I would do. I have a 150. You know what's crazy is I have a 150. I got a 150 eval. Where are we with that? Oh, I'm here. Yeah, I gotta stop going 10. Oh, geez. When are you gonna start trading with Take Profit Trader? Starting on Monday, I'm gonna get a Take Profit Trader account. I don't know, probably tomorrow or over the weekend, and then I'm gonna start trading it on the stream live. I just know a lot of people. So obviously, you've seen my Apex videos. A lot of people have been telling me take profit trader, take profit trader. So I'm going to do it for everybody else. When am I going to start? That's how they usually fail, and no DCAing will help. So you can DCA on evals, you just can't DCA on the funded. That's my biggest problem with Apex is they let you do whatever you want for an eval, and then when you do whatever you want, then you trade the same way on the funded account, the same way as you did as you passed, and then they have a problem with it. Yeah, they do one ad. Yeah. Do it for the stream. I do it for the stream. Just go all in. Yeah. I would like to pass this. Oh, wow. You know where we are right now? I don't know. I didn't really mean to fucking do that. I thought we were still low. We're at 20,000. I wonder if it holds 20,000 here. That's how I usually fail, and no DCAing will help. So yeah, I mean, if you notice what Apex is doing, they're pushing everybody to get these larger accounts. They're pushing you to get the 150s, the 250s, and the 300s. The reason is it's harder for you to pass on the eval, so they're collecting more eval money from you. And then once you're live, it's kind of a one-to-one. You know, you need to make $5,000 and your buffer is $5,000. It's still one-to-one, but you're definitely not passing at the same rate. So they're definitely collecting more money from newer traders that want these bigger accounts. But let's be real. At the end of the day, if you really think about it, they're not giving you $150,000 to trade with. You're getting a $5,000 drawdown. So when they give you the account, technically you have $5,000 to trade with if you have a 150 account. When you have a 50K account, they're only really giving you $2,500 to trade with, because if you lose the $2,500, you're gone. They're not giving you $50,000 to trade with. You know, so I don't look at it as they're giving me $50,000 or $150,000. I'm looking at it, they're giving me $2,500 to trade with. Yeah, the 150s are nice because if you could pass, you could still pass a 150 on one trade. I've done it. You basically go 17 contracts in. I basically wait until we hit like a pivot point, like here or here, and I basically go 17 contracts in, and I typically make the money on it. I'm just being honest. Like right here, we just hit this pivot point. I was talking on the stream. I wasn't really paying attention. I should have bought at the pivot point, and I didn't. You know, you could have gotten 20 points on 17 contracts. What is that? So 17. I mean, you would have got like $6,800. You know, I think That's how I like to pass the 150s. I do a really big trade as my first trade, and it gets me to 4,000, 5,000, or even higher. And then I'll trade it like I do a 50K account and get me from 154, 155 over the hump. But usually I go heavy for my first trade. I'm not even going to say like I don't. I go. How much is it right now anyways? Apex. Let me go to Apex. Let me see. I'm going to put my code in. Let me see. I'll put my code in and see what it offers me. Trade-Evate. Oh, I want to do the 150s. Anybody buy a 150 today? I'm just curious how much 150s are going for right now. It's $40. $40. I don't know what coupon code you use, but I used my coupon code and it gives $40. See, my biggest problem is I was just paying $20 for this same account. And now they want me to pay $40. Yeah. I use here. I mean, I don't know if you're using whatever you're using, but that works for me to give me $40. So just throwing it out there. Whatever you're using for $64 just to. Oh, anybody that's on the stream, I'm giving away a free account on Tuesday. Tuesday afternoon, free account. Free account afternoon. We're going to do a duck race, and somebody will win an account. So anybody who's on right now, mark the calendar. Tuesday, somebody in the room will win. Last time, who won? I think this guy William won, or William or Jack. I don't know. He won, and I don't know what he did with the account. He never came back to tell me what he did with the account. I don't know what happened to him. If it's not me, it's rigged. Eminem, were you on for the duck race last time? I think you were. Should I do something different than the duck race? What did you like? Put it like this. Did you guys like the duck race? Oh, you weren't around for the duck race? Oh, I want to know if you've Hey, Lynn. Welcome to the stream. What's up? How you doing today? Anybody that's new on the stream, feel free to comment. Say what's up. Looking to meet everybody that's on here. Anybody trade this pivot point bounce just now? I am just curious if any of you guys grabbed this. I feel like an idiot for not doing it. I wasn't paying attention, and now I'm just out. Having a good day. What are you trading right now? Are you trading Apex? What are you trading over there? I feel like I want to slam some contracts. I feel like the time is coming to do something to get an account over Apex and Top Step. Are you funded in Top Step or Apex currently? Ah, you're funded in both? Nice. Very nice. Have you pulled money out or not? I'm just kind of wondering like where you're at in the whole journey of taking profits. How many people end up showing up yesterday? I seen it, but already got 50%. How many people ended up showing up yesterday on the stream? We hit 38 people on the stream at one time. Yo, my power just flickered. Looked like a FOMO buy trap just now. Yeah. Yeah, it did. Do you guys still I gotta ask, do you guys still hear me? Because my whole power went off and on. Yeah, that's crazy. My lights went off. Everything just went off and back on. So crazy. That was freaking crazy. I was like, no. I'm on Long Island, and because it's so hot out, everybody's running all their air conditioning units. I think the power just flickered. Hold on, I just gotta shut my door. It's gonna get a. Hey guys. All the kiddos just came home from school. But yeah, summer solar day. Yeah, dude, it's freaking hot over here. Lynn, so when you got paid from Top Step, did you get 5 days of over $200, or how exactly? I've never gotten paid by Top Step, so how did it work for you? But yeah, everyone and their mother is running air conditioned units on Long Island right now. So man, we're just hanging around this 20,000 level. I wonder if so do you need 5 days in a row of $200, or it's just 5 days in general of 200? Oh yeah. This is the longest day of the year, right, Captain? Today or tomorrow is the longest day of the year. So you just need 5 days in general of $200 or more, and your account has to be over $50,000 on a 50K, right? Don't have to be in a row. So say you have like, 200, 200, 200, but then you lose 1,000. You can only take out, you could take out half of whatever you have above 50,000, right? Is that what it is? Above 50,000? I feel like that's the limit, is over 50K. You have to do, market got until Asia to crash. Yeah. I don't know if we're gonna crash. It's so crazy. The fear and greed was low, but we're sitting here and let's look at the daily. Oh, it bounced off there's a daily pivot point it bounced off of. Look at that. It's got to hold here though. It's got to hold here, otherwise you probably go down about 200 points. I mean, this market kind of needs a pull down. Yeah, it's definitely overbought. Without a doubt, it's overbought. I just wonder how low it's going to go. I mean, we're down already 400 points from the top. It's a 400-point drop. It's pretty good drop from the top. 400. Oh man, here we go. You think we're gonna? Let's see if this is a wick retest, or are we gonna double bottom here and then shoot out of this thing? I'm kind of I feel like the risk reward for me on evals only. I'm not doing this in a funded account. It's 100%. You get to keep the profits. Then after that, you get 90-10. 100% for the first 10K. Yeah, I like Top Step. I like Top Step a lot. That's why that's why I got this account. I'm gonna, I kind of want to get funded there. It's just the rules are super simple. It seems like you can get money out really quick, which is nice. Oh no. Oh, they're pushing this way down today. Jeez. I mean, we're definitely stretched. I like Top Step last rules, in my opinion, versus Apex. Yeah. Oh, I agree, Captain. This is a good first day if you're going to start pulling back. What's wild is the market's pulling back, but I'm in FedEx, and FedEx is just ripping today. Ripping. I'm in a couple things that are ripping. What's wild is Amazon's up. Did you look at that? Do you look at stocks in general? Like Amazon's up, and the market's just getting. I'm gonna take a shot right here for a double bottom. Woo! Quick scalp McScalperson. Get some of that money back. That was quick. Oh, you do options too, Lynn? So do I. What do you trade options? What do you like in the options world? Just because I get all the hate in the world all the time about show me, show me, show me is what I get a lot. So here is my options today. I'm waiting for it to update. Does it? I don't know if this page updates in live. Does it? Last updated. Oh, yeah, there we go. Just so you know, it's not a stupid ass screenshot like some of these other guys use. You could see that it moves, so it's real. It's not a screenshot. Yeah, so that's what I'm in. Call. These are all calls. Bitcoin is short, and then this is a spread. So I love talking about options. I could talk about options all day. I like dealing with companies and like the reason behind the moves and things like that. I just find it crazy that Amazon's up so much today and the market's down. Market's getting crushed. I think we're down. The Qs are down 1% today, but yet Amazon is ripping. Oh, man, I wish I just held that. Man, that was nice. Here we go. The 34 rejection. You think we get a rejection right here? Rejection at the 34. They're just going to push on through.
You out of the house.
Wow. They're just going for it here. That might have been the bottom here. I mean, here's the channel. I like Top Step because you can edit the charts real quick. Huge part of that is NVIDIA. Oh, yeah, it was NVIDIA down today. Let's see. NVDA. Oh, NVIDIA's down over 3%. I love Top Step X. Actually. Yeah, it's my favorite free one that you get. I like the look of like Sierra charts and some of the other ones that you can get. So I want to add one more indicator here. I keep forgetting to do it. Moving average. This becomes that's the 21 on the 5-minute. Yeah, for a free one, yeah, it's the best free one. Without a doubt, by far, it's the best free one. You know, I also haven't had any glitches with it. Like Trade-O-Vate kind of glitches sometimes. Rhythmic Trader glitches. I haven't had any issues with glitching or anything like that. You know, it's pretty just seamless, to be honest with you. What's the best paid platform? I don't really know, to be honest with you. I heard Sierra Charts is the best. People use Quant Tower, but I keep hearing great things about Sierra Charts. Have you used Sierra Charts yet, Lynn? I was going to try getting a demo from them or something like that, is really what I was going to ask for. From you know, oh, my kids are all home now. Let's see. Is it going to consolidate and go up here, or are we going to drop it like it's hot? I would not trade my funded. Demo will have 30-minute delay data. Oh, so you gotten the Sierra chart demo? Am I on the right website? Is this what it looks like? Does it look like we turned back the clock to 2001? This can't be it. This is it? Oh, that's it? That's the website? What should I know about it before getting into it? Is what should I ask? But that is the website, correct, Captain? The one I just showed you? This old ass website. This thing is, I'm at the right place. If you're doing prop in it. Oh man, I feel like I'm in for a steep learning curve. You have to buy package 10 or 11 normally for platform fee and data combo. Dude, I feel like I'm in for a big learning curve with this. And they'll be charging like $12 for book data, but you need real futures account to confirm with CME rules. Oh, geez. I feel like I'm. So what's the one to get? Quant Tower? Dude, it's crazy. Only up. Let's see. Let's see. We get a scalp right here. Scalp to the downside off the 200. Come on. If you're not going to give me this, I'm getting out of this. I'm getting out. This thing's going freaking to the moon. Quant Tower is fine, or Ninja, and Ninja always lags out. This is like class. Dude, it's only up. I'm done. Although, look, I would have gotten something back. It's so crazy. That's why I wasn't trading my funded account, because it's not the right setup for me personally. See, this is what I'm talking about, though. We went right up to this pivot point and rejected. Look at that. Like, that's money. I fucking should have just stayed in. I can't believe I didn't pull this chart up and just say I'm staying in because we're at the pivot point. Oh, I'm just watching it freaking tumble now. I can't believe I didn't stay in this. Oh. Yeah, I'm going to copy trade across platforms, to be honest. Dude, I was in it, and I didn't pull this chart up to see where we were at. If I saw we were at the pivot point, I would have just stayed in. So freaking stupid. So stupid of me. Some guy just hit the eject button is what happened. Or hit the Kramer button. Sell, sell, sell. Sell, sell, sell. Sell, sell, sell. I'm going to smash it right here. Come on, we're going to get a Big Daddy bounce. This is not funded. Oh, Eminem. What's Jay doing? He's having a hard day. What's he doing? Come on, give me the old scalperoo. Scalperoo. Come on. Push it to the limit like Rick Ross. Let's go. I'm taking my money here. I need to build this 150 account up so I can get the so I get that $85 one-time fee. Captain, you long or short? What are you doing over there? Yo, Eminem, if you could hear me, tell Jay if he wants some tips, he can just shoot me a text message. I'll send him some tips. Be sure to tell him I got another payout today from Apex coming. I don't have a cushion to even gamble. Yeah. Dude, if you don't have a cushion, wait until your setup comes up, man. Just wait till the setup comes up. The problem is NVIDIA is down 3%. If NVIDIA turns around, I'll probably rip everybody's face off. So I normally don't trade options the last 20 minutes or 10 minutes also. Not options, futures, and I don't trade futures the first 15 minutes. Eminem, are you in this room still? I got something hysterical. That's why I switched to evals, guys. When I'm not feeling it completely, I'll just trade with my evals to save my funded accounts because I don't want to burn real funded accounts. I'll just kind of have some fun. Yo, you should tell Jay that my coupon code has your accounts last longer than 1 day. That's what you should tell him because I know he always jokes about his coupon code. You should say Evan says his coupon code keeps accounts longer than 1 day. That's what the street is telling him. Oh man, I love messing with Jay. I called him earlier. He was busy, but I'll give him a call after the market. Oh, they're just gonna rocket this thing. They're yeah. Hey, you know what, man? You know what, Lynn? Whatever works for you. So if that works for you, you should keep doing it because you don't want to lose money on the volatility that you get at the end. If it's not for you, switch to micros. That's the same way as I switched to like evals. When the market's not in my what I want to be doing, I switch to something else. Or sometimes I just don't do anything. I just work on other things that I got going on. You got to have something that will take your mind off of the market to keep you out of just doing stupid stuff. You know, I always tell people you should turn on the market and you should sit there for a full day and not take a trade. If you're getting too like you feel like you're getting addicted that you have to take a trade, just watch it for a full day and see if you can sit there for a full day and not do anything. Wow, they pushed that right off this 34. This is a 34. They pushed it right off of it. Yeah, now that it's getting real freaking nutty. Evan, so you I just put so you don't have issues with Top Step on size of position. You can only use 2 minis under 1500 and so on, or you don't trade more than that anyways. I on Top Step, being that there's a daily loss limit, I only trade the max I trade is 2 minis because you can hit that daily loss limit so fast. I don't want to go over 2 minis anyways. Otherwise, what's going to happen is a small little thing the wrong way, and you're going to get smoked. And you don't want to get smoked. So I would say that 2 minis is more than enough to do enough damage in Top Step that you don't need to go higher than that. So that's what I would say you should do. If you can't get over the challenge trading 2 minis, then you have a bigger issue because 2 minis at 10 points is $400. You should easily be able to get $400 and build the account over, 52,600. Yeah, daily loss limit only allows for 1, 2. Unless your first trade, Lynn, if you can make $400 or $500 on your first trade, then that allows you to take some shots on there. You know, then you could take a little bit of a shot or something like that. Your first trade has to be a winner for like $400, and then you build up that, you know, that $1,500 or $1,400 buffer, and then you could do some damage. Yeah, listen, if you can't get over with 1 to 2 minis, then I would just look at your strategy. And I'm just being honest. Like, if you're trading 1 mini, yeah, if you're trading 1 mini, you shouldn't be hitting the daily loss limit unless you got completely destroyed. You know, I say that in like the nicest way possible, to be honest. Like, I'm just being honest. You know, you shouldn't, like, the reason I hit it today is I went in 2 minis after I was down already. So I was revenge trading, but I'm only revenge trading a, you know, I'm doing it in an eval. Like, I would never trade that way in a funded account. And that's why I feel like everybody should have evals, because when you start to feel like you're going to do stupid stuff, you just pop open your eval and say, hey, listen, I'm going to do it, my stupid stuff right here in my eval, and don't touch the funded accounts. That's been how I went about a lot of things. My evals are for me to just vent, revenge trade, do everything stupid. That's what I use my evals for. I think that's the best piece of advice I could tell anybody, actually, is when you start feeling like you're going to do, when you're getting upset, if you have funded accounts and you're getting upset because you're down, just go and buy an eval and fucking destroy it. Don't destroy your funded account. Yeah. I even use my evals when like I see a setup and I'm like, oh, I think this is going to go somewhere, but it's not like an A+ setup. I'll just switch to an eval. And you see me do that now on the stream. I'll just switch to an eval. And I'm just like, hey, whatever. I'm switching to an eval. And if I get smoked out, I get smoked out, but it's an eval. You know, you don't, man, this is getting tight up here. I wonder if they turn this around right here. See, like right now, I would never buy this in my funded account. Never would I buy this in a funded account. But would I buy this in my eval? Yeah, because I just want I want to be a degenerate right now and just have some fun. Do it for the stream. That's all. You know, if I want to have some fun. But you know what? Look, it's kind of working out. Yeah. Oh, A+ setups. I only use good setups for my funded accounts. And that's probably why I keep them longer. We're up. I honestly could see this breaking out, though. Are we just going to go all in on this freaking? Are we going to do it? Should I just go all in on this? I was going to hit the button. Oh, my God. Oh, that was the 350 algo candle, guys. Ooh, geez. Oh no. That wasn't good. That kind of messed me up. All right. I have a question. With Apex PA, how often do you have to trade them to keep active? Is it once a month like Top Step? I don't know how often you have to trade them. I trade them. You have to trade them 10 days. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. All right, I just got stopped out. You have to trade them 10 days to get a payout. That I could tell you. I would say that you should be trading them, even if you buy one contract and just sell it, after a couple minutes, or, buy a couple minis or a couple micros and then just sell it after a couple minutes, just so there's trading activity, might be worth it. I'm not saying you should flip to get payouts. I'm just saying to keep it active. I've seen people do that. I got to look at the rules on keeping it active. I don't want to give you wrong information. But I know you like Bull Knox, you have to trade a funded account every 5. You can't go 5 trading days without trading it. Man, this is a great setup, and this wick down really effed me out of that one contract. It's almost like they were seeking my contract out. They're like, we want your contract. Oh man, today, I'll be honest with you, today's great because I got an Apex payout. I can't say today was bad. Today was pretty good trading. It was pretty wild day trading. I also want to say, everybody, thanks for showing up in the stream. We're doing a free account giveaway next Tuesday. We stream every day at 1:30, 2 o'clock. I appreciate everybody coming today. New people, good seeing you. People have been around, good seeing you also. I would contact Apex support just to get a real answer if you're going away or something. You don't want to lose your account over something stupid. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to be you don't want to lose it. I don't know. I didn't know Top Step you could just trade once a month. That's interesting also. Learn something new every day. Every day. I don't know who's on, but starting Monday, I'm going to use Take Profit Trader for everybody in Top Step, just due to the fact what everybody's been saying. So, Take Profit Trader once a week you have to trade. Interesting. Yeah, I didn't know that. I usually try to trade everything once a day, to be honest with you. Today's the only day I did not. Let me see if I traded all my funded accounts today. I actually traded all my funded accounts today. Oh, man. You think this comes right down here again? You think we get a wick test? What is that at? It's like 38 or something. I'll give that a shot. Oh, yeah. This is going to be the end of the day, Hail Mary. Let's see, guys. What are we going to do? 2, 3, 4. End of day, Hail Mary. Got to do it for the stream. Oh, baby. It's going to fill me. Let's see what happens. Woo! Is it coming up? Oh, I got filled on one of my cells. Come on. This energy is contagious. Dude, you don't want somebody boring on the stream. What? Watch this. Come on up. Come on. Oh, and now I'm fully in. I'm all in now. Come on, bring me to the promised land. Yo, should I here look? Yo, I'm getting smoked here. It's all over the place. It's all over the place. Come on, give us this hammer and send it to the moon. Oh man, I'm only doing this as an eval, guys. I don't want anybody following in their funded accounts. Come on. Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. Come on. Go up. Go up. Fill me. Oh, I got filled on one. Are they not going to fill the rest? Guys, there's 4 more contracts to fill. 4 more. Go up. Go up. Come on. I took one off. Let's see. I don't even. Oh, come on. I'm just having some fun. I'm just having some last 3 minutes of the day fun. Come on. Oh, geez. I think I'm going to get stopped out because that was the push, guys. That was the last hurrah push. Although stochastics are oversold here, they're about to stop me out. I'm out. That was it. That was it. Next one, I'm going to put my finger underneath the chart to like push it up. Just be like, come on, come on. Give it maybe the flea flicker. I just flick it up. Oh. I hate trading the last couple minutes, to be honest. It's too wicky. It doesn't follow rules. You can make a lot of money. I like more consistent volume, not the wick wax. Oh, no. Did that just do that to me? Here we go. Look at that. Here, we're going to... Look at this. I had to play. I had to play just for fun. It's a 150 eval. One contract's not going to do much. Come on. Got to have some degenerate fun at the end of the day, guys. I mean, you know, if not, what is this all about? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Bring it to the promised land. Go up. Go up. Push it. Come on. Give me a couple shekels before the end of the day. Yeah, flea flickered up. Come on. Bing! Bing! I didn't get any more Apex evals. I've been trading funded accounts and whatever evals I had left over. I'm getting, we're done. I'm out of this thing. Mark is over. I didn't get it. What's up, Kim, by the way? What up, what up? Yo, Kim, I passed another $2,000 payout in Apex. I'm going to go request it today. Another 2,000. Bring my total up to 6,000 for this payout window. What? Oh, guys. It was a really good day. Made some money, lost some money. Some accounts up, some accounts down. I am going to be live tomorrow. What's going on, Stay Blue? Did they clear the other payout? Not yet, but I'm going to request a third payout, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, I'm going to go request a third payout once it updates. Overall today, man, I have 2 or 3 more accounts that are super close to payouts. I got to start copy trading. But things are going good over here. I got smoked a little bit today in some place. I lost a funded account there. That one I didn't trade. This one's close to payout. It's $600 away. That's only down a little bit. That's only down a little bit. Some of these new ones took a hit. Like that one took a hit. That one took a hit. That's about even. That's down a little bit. And that one's up. Gotcha. Appreciate it. Good to see how Apex is treating payouts. Hopefully I can request mine and get it. Yeah, man. Yo, come on the stream. Make some money. If you have any questions, feel free to just comment and say what's up. You know, before I get off, yeah, I'm going to start doing the Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader is doing 40% off. What do you call it? So there's actually a couple of things. If you haven't gotten a payout, do not buy Take Profit Trader. Just throwing it out there. But they're doing 40% off currently. Bullnox is doing 90% off. I don't know if you guys have ever tried Bullnox. I have a 90% off code. Your 50K accounts are $17, I think. Super cheap. Bullnox code. Super cheap, 90% off. Top Step isn't running a deal. No deal on Top Step. Apex. Somebody typed in and said it was $64. My coupon code was $40 on a 150 account. So I don't know what the deal is, but mine is the lowest or what it should be. It's on the bottom of my screen as it scrolls. But yeah, it was $40 for a 150s, and then they have a one-time payout of $85. The one-time activation fee is pretty sweet of $85. I like that. Take Profit Trader is no activation fee, but the problem with Take Profit Trader is obviously a lot more money. So I tell people that you can use my Top Step link. Yeah, it's $40. Yeah, I recommend doing $40 for a 150 because they're easier to pass for newer traders. I want to see people pass rather than shoot for the stars. So that's why I say do the 150s. Just trying to save everybody money and get you funded easier. 150s are $40. I swear I'm gonna get Top Step funded. I'm gonna have to slam it tomorrow. Yeah. Other than that, guys, it's a wow, I've been on here for almost 3 hours. I want to say I appreciate everybody coming on the stream. Love talking to you guys. I wish everybody the best. I try to have as much fun as we can. We're giving out a free account next week on Tuesday stream. So make sure you're definitely subscribed to the channel. Nah, because you can only make 1,500 in a day, but I'm gonna make 1,500 tomorrow in Top Step. I can tell you that right now. We're gonna slam some contracts tomorrow. I'm in the contract slamming mood tomorrow. And yeah, man. Yo, Corey, see you tomorrow, man. But yeah, I want to say thanks for coming by. Links for all the discounts are in the description of the video. I put them all in there. If you guys do not pay full amount, do not pay full amount. Whatever you do, save yourself money. And that's pretty much it. I think today was good, and I want to see everybody tomorrow. We'll be back, same time, same spot, and I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. Take it easy, everybody.